सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। श्लोका नंबर 453। प्रारब्धं बलवत्तरं खलु विधाम् भोगेन तस्य क्षयः सम्यक् ज्ञानहुताशनेन विलयः। प्राक् सञ्चितागामिनाम् ब्रह्मात्मैक्यमवेक्ष्य तन्मयतया ये सर्वदा संस्थिताः तेषां तत्त्रितयं न हि क्वचिदपि। ब्रह्मैव ते निर्गुणम् Shankaracharya completing the topic of Sanchita karma and Agami karma of a Jnani. In the above shlokas, he has completed that Sanchita can be avoided by Atma Jnanam. How he avoids that Sanchita? By falsifying the three bodies. I am birthless. I am birthless means I am free from the gross body. This body is not belong to me. This is only Nama Rupa. And even subtle body also, Sukshma Sariram also, is not me. That is also an inert matter. The Atma is Asangaha. This Anatma Sukshma Shariram, it cannot touch me. There is no Anatma at all, he understands. Other than Brahman, there is no Anatma at all. Like our pot. There is no pot other than the clay. So clay alone has got the Nama Rupa pot and name and form. So therefore, the Nama Rupa of this body is not there actually. First we present the pot, then we say there is no pot. What is there? Clay alone. What you are calling pot is nothing but clay. What you are calling this name, so and so, is nothing but Brahman. What we are calling this name and form is nothing but Brahman, consciousness. Just as what we are calling pot is nothing but clay alone, that is real only. Example is very wonderful, beautiful. Same way I have to own up the fact I am Brahman. But this body-mind complex, so close, and how much close, you know? Pirikka mudiyada closeness. Pirikka mudiyada. It is very close to me, the consciousness. Therefore, I lose sight of my real nature and I hooked on to this Nama Rupa. So therefore, this Prarabdha Balavattaram, he says, Sanchita Agami, Sanchita you can avoid, Sanchita you can burn, Agami you can avoid. What about Prarabdhana? He undergoes. No, Balavattaram Khalu. It is very, very forceful. Balavattaram. Bhogena tasya kshayaha. Bhogena means by undergoing an experience. Other people tala adichikra. Enoda prarabdham, engirikappa prarabdham. That is why illada prarabdhathai namu undu panni, create panni, we are worrying. That is what a tragedy. Because of this proximity, closeness of this body. So therefore, prarabdham, two answers he gives here. Shankaracharya. First answer is prarabdham bhogena kshayaha. From the worldly standpoint, he gives the answer. Even jnani also, Vidam means even for wise people also, the wise people also, Vidam, prarabdham, because it is very forcible, balavattaram means force. It is very strong and powerful. Therefore, bhogena eva kshayaha. Tasya means tasya prarabdhasya. Of that prarabdha. Bhogena means undergoing an experience, pleasure and pain. Either in the form of disease, either in the form of financial problems, either in the form of spouse problem, either in the form of other members in the family, or neighbors, or something else. That is called bhoga. Kshayaha means destruction. Nashaha. Kshayaha. Samyak jnana hutashanena vilayaha. This Sanchita Agami, how they go? By Prak Sanchita means, the Prak means the Purvam. The Sanchita is that which we have done previous janmas. That is called Prak Sanchita. Agami means that which comes. While present karmas I am doing. Even after Jnanam also, certain actions he does. That actions called Agami. Agami karma phalam. They all will vilayaha, means they all will resolve. They all will vanish. When samyak jnana hutashanena, they all merge in that fire of knowledge. Hutashanena means, hutashana means jnana fire. Jnana hutasha means jnana fire. Lord Krishna says, Jnanagni dagdha karmanam bhasmasat kurute Arjuna. Karmana means sanchita karma, agami karma. All will. What about prarabdha he has to undergo? From Jnani standpoint, really speaking, there is no prarabdha. Once I accept prarabdha, Jnani accepts the prarabdha, that means he is accepting janma. Once you negate janma, means you are negating the prarabdha. From Jnani standpoint, there is no prarabdha, Since there is no prarabdha, there is no janma. Since there is no janma, there is no prarabdha. From Jnani standpoint. So, Atma Jnanam varavarukku inda prarabdham அப்படியே ஹுக் ஆகிண்டே இருக்கும் நமக்கு உள்ளக்குள்ளே எங்கேயோ. வரி அபவுட் தட் பிராரப்தா எப்படி இருக்குமோ என்னமோ, அன்பிரடிக்டபிள் மை பிராரப்தா இன் ஃபியூச்சர் எப்படி இருக்குமோ, நாளைக்கு எப்படி இருக்குமோ சொல்ல முடியாது. என்னென்னமோ ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் வருது. என்ன நினைக்கவே இல்லை சுவாமி, நான் இப்படி ஆகும்னு நான் நினைக்கவே இல்லை. யாருமே நினைக்க மாட்டோம். அன்பிரடிக்டபிள். நோ, ஹோல் லைஃப் இஸ் அன்பிரடிக்டபிள். So therefore, சம்யக் ஞானம், சம்யக் ஞானம் அது ஆர்டினரி ஞானம் கிடையாது, நிஷ்டான்னு அர்த்தம். நிஷ்டா, ஞான நிஷ்டா வரணும். Then next third and fourth line he changes the topic here. Brahmatmaikyam aveksha tanmayataya. Actually, really speaking, see these two lines, first two lines for worldly people's sake, Ajnani's sake, these statements Shastra says. Tattva Bodha also we saw, no? These Sanchita karma, Agami karma, Prarabdha karma. Only for the worldly people's sake, these are the statements given by the Shastra. For worldly people's sake. Whereas, these other two lines, Brahmatmaikyam aveksha, from there onwards, third and fourth lines, where are these three? There are no Sanchita, there is no Sanchita, there is no Agami, there is no Prarabdha. See, in one sloka itself, Acharya puts both. He is not able to restrain himself. He could have given in the second sloka, no next sloka. So we should know the difference between a jnani and an ajnani. Paramarthika drishtya, third and fourth line. Vyavaharika drishtya, first and second line. We should not feel any contradiction here. We should not see any contradiction. What he says, Brahmatmaikyam aveksha. Brahma Atma Aikyam means what? I am the Jivatma. Atma means here Jivatma. Brahma means Paramatma. Aikyam, identity. Aveksha, having seen, having understood. What? Aidi Jivatma eva Paramatma, Paramatma eva Jivatma, both are identical, synonym, no change, no difference. Tanmayataya. Tanmayataya means he absorbed in that identity. Abheda buddhi, bheda buddhi nasti. That is tanmayata. How we get tanmayata? Absorbed in the worldly matters, no? This jnani absorbed in that Atma Swarupam. Ye sarvada samsthitaha. Ye means those people, whoever, sarvada, all the time, samsthitaha, established in this Aikya Bhavana. Samsthitaha means remaining in, abiding, establishing in that thought, akhandakara vritti. Tesham, for those people. Tesham means for those people who are all absorbed in this Aikya Bhavana, Aikyata. Tat tritayam nahi kvachidapi. Tat tritayam means that Sanchita, Agami, Prarabdha also included. Tat dviyan sollala. Tritayam anartham. Prarabdham also is not there. From Paramarthika angle, when you understand I am Atma Swarupam, I have no Prarabdha also. Tatritayam, that three karmas, nahi kvachidapi, even an iota, kuncha irukumemo Swamini, even that Tattva Bodha, Jnani Punya, and that Agami karma Punya Papam, what will happen? And it goes to the people. Idella kadai. Idella kadai nu sollakudadu, but for our satisfaction. That agami karma is divided into punya and papa of jnani. It goes to those people who praise jnani, the punya goes to them. And who insults the jnani, the papa, agami papa will go to those people. So he is free. This is one way of expression. Adi vyavaharika prapanchatika. Puriyarda ipo. Adinala don't get confused. In the beginning la idella confusion irukkum. Why Tattvabodha it is said like that? Both are divided, punya papa, agami punya papa, divided of jnani and chunna. Inge vandi tritayam kochidapi nahi. They are not there and they are telling. So Upanishad, Gita, Upanishad, Prakarana Granthas, all they present in a different angles. We have to reconcile properly, understand without any confusion. Kvachidapi. Why? Brahmaiva te nirgunam. For those people, te, for those people, nirgunam brahma eva asti. Nirgunam brahma, guna rahitam. Brahma eva asti, aham nirgunam brahma asmi. Where is the question of sanchitama, agama, pararabdhamana? Unnume kadiyadu. Very, very interesting, very important. This is called liberation. I am free from Janma. To such me, how there can be a Sanchita Agami? Even the Prarabdha also is not there. Asli, where is the Anatma? Anatma irundadana Prarabdham. Anatma, really it is there. Suppose this body is Anatma. Sukshma Sairam is Anatma. Therefore, it has got the Prarabdham. You accept until as long as Anatma is there. You accept the Anatma. Once you negate the Anatma also, what? How you have negated Anatma? Anatma is a Nama Rupa given to Brahman alone. Pot is Anatma. Why? What is Anatma? Anatma is that which can be negatable, which is a time being experience. It is not there really. It is namke vasti. Anatma is that which is mithya, unreal, anityam. It has no substantiality of its own. That is called Anatma. Anatma is that which has no substantiality of its own. In the part tannudaya substantiality irukka kadiyadu. Clay the substance. Similarly, this Anatma Shariram, three Sharirams are not having substantiality of their own. The substantiality of these three bodies belong to whom? The consciousness, Brahman. So therefore, these three bodies are not there at all. Once Anatma is totally negated, where is the question of Prarabdha? Yarukappa Prarabdha? Now in the part ku enna Prarabdhamo pavam. And sonna eppadi irukke? Paate illeppa Prarabdham eppadi irukkum anna. Unmai thane? Paate ille. This breaking nature, color nature, ellame belong to clay only. So that clay only is the real. This prarabdha of pot is really speaking prarabdha of the clay idol. Yenna inga pot illiye. If I really accept the prarabdha of the pot, really I am enforcing the prarabdha to whom? To clay. Here clay. Similarly, if this body, name and form is not there really. There is Brahman only. Still person is talking prarabdha means what? You are superimposing the prarabdha to Brahman. Nirgunam Brahmaniki. எவ்வளோ தப்பு பண்ணுறாமோ பாருங்க. ஏன்னா ஒரு எரர் லீட்ஸ் டு மெனி எரர்ஸ். கோ ஆன் அண்ட் ஆன் ஜெயிண்ட் வீல் மாதிரி சுற்றிகிட்டே இருக்கும். அதனால ஃபஸ்ட்டு கம் அவுட் ஆஃப் தட் செல்ஃப் இக்னரன்ஸ் எரர். பிக்கெஸ்ட் எரர்னா அதுதான் சொல்யூஷனே. அதர் சொல்யூஷன்ஸ் ஆர் ஆல் palliatives. Palliatives என்ன தெரியுமா? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எய்டு மாதிரி. மெயின் சர்ஜரி என்ன? இக்னரன்ஸோ டெக்டமி. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லோகா. श्लोका नंबर 454. उपाधितादात्म्य विहीन केवल ब्रह्मात्मनैवात्मनि तिष्ठतो मुनेः प्रारब्ध सद्भाव कथा न युक्ता स्वप्नार्थ संबंध कथेव जाग्रतः ब्रह्मात्मनि एव ब्रह्मात्मना एव आत्मनि तिष्ठतः मुनेः. मुनेः means a sannyasi. That person for whom the vyavaharas are minimum, that person is called sannyasi. For whom the vyavahara is very, 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 very minimum. Even that grihastha is having minimum vyavahara, he is a sannyasi. If sannyasi having more vyavahara means he is a grihastha. So munehe means mananat iti munihi. Muni is one who is always doing atma chintanam, in spite of interactions. That's why he keeps always minimum interaction, never talk too much, never interfere in all other matters. Very minimum for the survival of the life, for just to maintain that relations. Namke vasti, minimum manna. Namke vasti irukkum avalada. So munehe, what type of muni he is? ब्रह्मात्मना एव आत्मनि तिष्ठतः. Brahma Atmana means I the Atma, Jivatma is Brahman. That's called Brahmatmana. With Brahmatma Bhava, I the Atma is Brahman alone is called Brahmatmana. सुरमंदिरतरु मूल निवासः शय्या भूतल मजिनं वाशः. A sannyasi, a muni is one. என்னமோ இருக்கிறது போதும் அந்த சின்ன. He is always content wherever he is. Simple, high thinking, simple living. Worldly people, ulta. High living, simple சொல்லக்கூடாது, no thinking. சிம்பிளும் கிடையாது, அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கு. ஸோ முனி இஸ் ஒன். உபாதி தாதாத்மிய விஹீன கேவலஹ. உபாதி தாதாத்மிய, உபாதி மீன்ஸ் பாடி, தாதாத்மியம் மீன்ஸ் அட்டாச்மெண்ட். வித் பாடி மைண்ட் காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ் he is free. Upadhi means a medium. Body is a medium, mind is a medium. Tadatyam means connection, attachment, patru. Upadhi tadatmya vihina means free from. Aidi, the Brahmatmana means Aidi Sakshi, witnesser, consciousness, free from this body-mind complex. Kevalaha, I am Sakshi alone. I am untouched. I am Asangaha. That bhavana. Sakshi is like a space. Just as the space is there in the hall, is not touched by these pillars, walls, roof, floor. Space is untouched. Similarly, Aidi Sakshi is also untouched by, thank God, untouched by this body-mind complex. It cannot touch at all. That is my nature. Tadatmya sambandha, that is called tadatmya means what? Tadatma sambandha. Kevala means pure Brahman I am. Kevala means what? Upadhi rahitam. Kevalam. Kevalam Tamil kevalam illa. Sanskrit kevalam. Kevalaha means alone, pure, shuddham ityartha. Pure Brahman I am. Second line. So he is abiding in that I am Atma Swarupam, Sakshi, witnesser, free from this body-mind complex. Remaining like that. Avaniki Prarabdha Sadbhava Kathana Yukta. Prarabdha Sadbhava means a Prarabdham irikira engra kadhai. Kada enna kada solriya இந்த பிராரப்தத்தினுடைய கதை நம்ம சொல்றோம் இல்லையோ, என்ன பிராரப்தம் பற்றி பேசிட்டு இல்லாத பிராரப்தம் பற்றி பேசிட்டு இருப்போம். நம்ம அஜ்ஞானம் இருக்கிற வரைக்கும் இது the one you have got that jnanam, you will never talk about the story of prarabdha once you get jnanam. The prarabdha katha means sadbhava kathana yuktaha means the concept or idea of the existence. Sadbhava means existence. Prarabdha means prarabdha. Arabdham karma is called prarabdham. Prarabdha is not at all logical. The concept or idea of the existence of prarabdha. Prarabdha sadbhava na yuktaha means what? Not logical. It is illogical. Saying prarabdha existence and talking about the prarabdha story is not logical when a person is abiding in Brahmatma Bhava. To that Muni, we should not talk. Papam, avarku prarabdham eppadi irukku parunga. Prarabdhame ille. It is like a dream object. Next line he says, suppose if a person talking about the prarabdha to that Muni, it is like what? Swapnartha sambandha katha eva jagrataha. After waking up, jagrataha, after waking, for a waker, once you wake up and talking about the story of the prarabdha of the dream objects. Prarabdha of the dream objects. What prarabdha? Whatever happened in the dream, you are talking about the prarabdha of the dream object. Poi adikku enna prarabdham? Prarabdham pathi eppadi pesa mudiyum? How can I talk about the prarabdha of the dream object which is unreal after waking up? Can you talk about the prarabdha of the dream object? Dream lo, you got a son or something from relation, and you cannot talk about the prarabdha of that person. Enna kanave poi asal first. And the dream itself is a poi. அதுக்கு பிராரப்தம் பேச முடியுமா? கதை என்ன கதை பேசுறியா? இதுதான் கதை. அதே மாதிரி ஞானம் வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம், after getting knowledge, how can you talk about the prarabdha to that jnani? It is illogical. Na yuktaha. Na yukta. Prarabdha is not logical. Talking about the prarabdha, its existence, it is a story, it is an illogical. Next shloka. Nahi prabuddha pratibhasadehe dehopayoginyapi cha prapanche karotyaham tam mamatamidam mamatamidam kintu swayam tishthati jagarena. The prarabdha is not there. This conclusion, how one can arrive? I am ajaha, birthless. When I am birthless, a birthless Atma can never have prarabdha. But what about this body-mind complex? It is a matter, jadam by itself, inert. It can never have prarabdha of its own. Therefore, this prarabdha, what we are talking, can never have substantiality of its own. Therefore, prarabdha is totally negated from paramarthika drishti. He gives an example here. He explains the example, an awakened person or woken up person, deha upayoginyapi cha prapanche, the person prabuddha, he has woken up. Woken up means prabuddha. Woken up. For that person, pratibhasadehe, pratibhasadehe means that dream body. Pratibhasa means dream body. Deha upayoginyapi. Deha upayogini means the dream objects. The dream objects, what are all you are using? Dream body is unreal. Dream body using objects are also unreal. That is why you, when you are going to sleep, when you are sleeping, you keep water near to you. Night le edha dahan konjam you have to take. In dream you feel thirsty. In dream. So you are searching for water. Water is not available anywhere. In dream. But for this person is having water next to him. Can he use that water? He cannot use that water. So you have to suffer with thirst in the dream. In spite of water. That's why deha upayogini means in the dream body, that objects which the dream body is using. Upayogini means what? All those dream car, dream house, dream child, dream, ellame dream. Dream water. Veetla full water dream la. Kaalai elindi paatha ella kaali enna. All those dream la enna use pandromo adellame deha upayoginyapi prapanche. Prapanche means possessions in artham. Deha upayoginyapi, dream body and dream possessions, all these are na. He cannot talk about those objects and the dream body, dream possessions, dream car, dream house. Idella ahanta mamata idanta na karoti. He cannot say after waking up, prabuddha. Not Buddhu, prabuddha. He has woken up. After woken up, what he say? Hey, see my dream car. This is mine. The dream body, he cannot say aham. After waking up, he cannot say, this is my body, you see. எங்க இருக்க சொல்றதுக்கு ட்ரீம் பாடியே இல்லை வேக்கர் தானே ட்ரீம் பாடி ஆயிட்டான் வேக்கர் alone, the thought alone became dream body. Who created the dream body? Waker mind only created the dream body. Now waker has woken up, he came out, so he cannot talk about the dream body. Other than the waker, there is no dream body. Other than the waker, there is no dream body. How can he talk about, I am this body? You see? If you are in the dream, you are not the waker. You are the dreamer. If you are the waker, you are not the dreamer. Therefore, ahamta. And the body, நான் இந்த உடம்பனி சொல்ல முடியாது. Positions, see my car, உங்க கார் எங்க இருக்கு? Thought projected car அது. இப்போ you are waker. You are not a dreamer. You cannot talk about that mamata. அது அஹந்தான்னா பாடிக்கு. mamata anna இது ahanta mahantam anna. Ahanta mamata means belong to me, mine, I and mine, mamata, my car, my house. That's why you cannot bring the check or lottery 1 lakh in the dream. See, I got lottery. Shall we go to that bank and get money anna? அப்படி வந்தா நல்லா இருக்குமே. Mamata, no, you cannot talk about the dream objects as yours. Mamata and idanta. Idanta means which is not belong. Idanta means this is belong to him, this is belong to him, this is belong to him. Idantam. என்ன பரதநாட்டியம் மாதிரி அஹந்தா மமதா இதந்தாம். Either I am this body, these are all belong to me, these are all belong to them, to him, to her. Idantam. This object is belong to me, this object is belong to him. You cannot talk. Nakaroti. He will not, and the bhavana he will not make. Nakaroti. And the bhavana he cannot bring such a type of thought. Kintu, on the other hand, swayam tishtati jagarena. He remains in jagrada avastha. Avladha. இப்போ எவரு இருக்கோ அவ்வளவுதான் எனக்கு பொசிஷன். அதே மாதிரி ஞானி ஆல்சோ ஜாகரேனா மீன்ஸ் ஆஃப்டர் ஞானம் he never say whatever happens because of this prarabdha, all these things, he cannot talk about my daughter, my son. Jnana vandadukku appuram he never talk about the biography of any person, even including his own biography. And that's why Jnani is biography free person. People are writing Jnani's biography. Our beyond biography. The autobiography. And the people are reading autobiography of so and so. Very popular book that is go on and on and on reading people. Autobiography. Autobiography என்ன தெரியுமா? ஆட்டோ biography. சுத்தின்டே இருக்கணும். அந்த ஆட்டோல இருந்து இந்த ஆட்டோக்கு, இந்த ஆட்டோல இருந்து அந்த ஆட்டோக்கு ஆட்டோ பயோகிராஃபி என்ன. Ennappa enakku autobiography enna. Swayam tishtati jagarena means he remains in that. Jagarena means as a waker remains without claiming the dream body, dream objects, dream any possessions. Similarly, this Jnani looks at the body, mind complex, unreal, and Sanchita, Agami, Prarabdha belong to the body are all unreal. Remains in what? Jnanam. Remains as a Jnanam. Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma. Aham Satyaswarupam, Aham Jnanaswarupam, Aham Anandaswarupam. Next shloka. Na tasya mithyartha samarthanecha na sangrahastajagatopi drishtaha tatraanuvrittir yadi chenmrusharthe na nidraya mukta itishyate dhruvam. Tasya Tasya means to such a Jnani Mithya Artha Samartha Ichha Na Bhavati. Mithya Artha means unreal objects. Mithya means unreal. Poyyana porul anartham. Unreal objects. Porul. Artha means objects. Samarthana means he is gone talking about Samarthanam pandrathu. Justification. Justification of unreal objects he will never do. அது பொய்ன்னு தெரியும் ஒரு பக்கம். ஏதோ பேசினே இருப்பாரு. ஐயோ பொய்யை பத்தி இவ்வளவு பேசுறானேன்னு தெரியும் அவருக்கு. அதனால சமர்த்தனா justification reality he will not give to them. Other samarthana means what? Justification. He never justify the unreal object. Just as the waker never justify the dream objects, this Jnani will never justify the all unreal objects. That's why once Jnanam he gets, all the previous past guilt, hurt, ellame poidum. That type of problems he will never have. Nishtha if it comes, even he slips off for few seconds, he will immediately come to the green room. Once in a while, because as long as this body-mind complex is there, little bit interaction is there, as though slip down for few seconds, just like a rubber ball, mother, he comes, bounces back to his real nature. Immediately. It is very difficult for that person, in spite of body-mind complex, because there is a tug of war between the body, necessities are there. There is ahankara is there. அந்த அகங்காரத்திலோ அந்த பேசிக் நெசசிட்டிஸ் ஃபுல்ஃபில் பண்ணும்போது கூட ஏதாவது கொஞ்சம் தகராறு, கொஞ்சம் ஏதாவது டிஸ்டர்பன்ஸ் இருந்தால் கூட just have to go and come back. He knows that unreality. And just be, that's called alert living. Alert with one's own nature. So therefore, tasya mrisha artha samarthana ichha nasti. Na ichha, na sangraha tat sangraha tad jagataha api drishtaha. Sangraha means accumulation. In the case of dream, when I wake up, the dream will disappear. You will not try to collect the dream objects. One varave varadu first thing. You cannot pick up the dream object sangrahanga. எல்லாமே கூட கேட்டு அப்படியே வந்துடுமா, வா வா வா, என்ன வந்ததோ ஞாபகம் இல்லை. Dream we can't remember. No connection at all. You sometimes, nice pleasant dreams, we ukkanadella we want to bring it out. Varave varade, we will tired and come out. You cannot collect the detail. This is sangraha. Tad jagataha drishtaha api na sangraha. Tad jagataha means what? The swapna jagataha, drishtaha, whatever he has seen in swapna jagat, he never tried to collect all those details of the dream. எதுக்குன்னா அந்த பொய்யான ட்ரீமுக்கு போய் என்ன கலெக்ட் பண்ணு, எதுக்கு டைம் வேஸ்ட், எனர்ஜி வேஸ்ட். So don't waste time. This jnani also never collect the previous sanchita, prarabdha, agami. Kimahagum sadhuna karavam, kimahagum papamakaram iti. இந்த மாதிரி வரி எல்லாம் இருக்காது. அப்படியே பண்ணிட்டேன் நான், why I did like this, why I have not done like this. இந்த மாதிரி ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் எல்லாம் கொஞ்சம் நிஷ்ட வர வரைக்கும் இருக்கும். Still they are lingering slowly, little. That's why urvaru kamiva bandhanatana. They will go slowly, gradually. So all of a sudden it will never happen. That's why jnanam was also an evolution, not revolution, evolution. கொஞ்சம் பொறுமையா இருக்கணும் நம்ம. அப்பப்போ நமக்கே கில்ட்டு வரும். விவேக சூடாமணி கிளாஸு போயின்னா 450 ஸ்லோகாஸ் முடிச்சாச்சு, இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் தகராறு இருக்கே மனசுலன்னா, பரவாயில்ல விவேக சூடாமணி என்ன இன்னும் 4 விவேக சூடாமணி புக்ஸ் படித்தா கூட இருக்கலாம். அது அப்படி தானாகவே இருந்துகிட்டே இருக்கும் கொஞ்சம். அது ஸ்லோலி இட் வில் கோ அவே. தட்ஸ் வை டோன்ட் வரி. ஸோ தத்ர அனுவృత్తిஹி யதி சேத் மிருஷார்த்தே. Suppose this person is having anuvritti. Anuvritti means follow up or rapo. Modern language lo sollanumna follow up rapo with mrisha arthe. Unreal. Mrisha means unreal, artha means objects. Chet means if. Mrisha arthe swapna arthe ityartha. Mrisha arthe means on the dream objects. If this person is having, tatra means in that swapna objects, in that case, that means pravritti, nivritti. This dream is pleasant, this nice பொருள் நல்லா இருக்கா, இதை எடுத்துக்கலாம், இந்த பொருள் நல்லா இல்லை, நிவிருத்தி வேண்டாம் நமக்கு, ட்ரீம் ஆப்ஜெக்ட்ஸ் பிரவருத்தி நிவிருத்தி ஏதாவது வருமா? தத்ரா and those objects. So therefore no strong attachment. Tatra anuvrittihi. Anuvritti means strong attachment towards the unreal objects. Suppose they are there, irukka koodadu, irundha enna artham? Suppose still that person is having attachment towards those dream objects, enna artham theriyum? Innum dream la irukka enna artham? He is not yet woken up. அப்படிதானே? அத fourth line. Na nidraya muktaha iti ishyate dhruvam. Suppose if he is having any attachment towards those unreal objects of the dream, anna enna artham theriyumo? Na nidraya na muktaha. He is not, still he is not free from sleep. ஏன்னா ஸ்லீப்ல இருந்தா தானே ட்ரீம் வரும் இல்லையோ? நித்ரையா ந முக்தஹ த்ருவம் இஷ்யதே. We can declare this, we can say this, we can proclaim this. அவன் இன்னும் நித்ரை வந்து வரல பாவம், இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் அட்டாச்மெண்ட் இருக்க ட்ரீம் ஆப்ஜெக்ட்ஸ் மேல, அப்படிதானே சொல்றோம். அதே மாதிரி திருஷ்டாந்தம் நம்ம சப்ளை பண்ணிக்கலாம். நான் சொல்ல வேண்டாம், அவரே சொல்கிறார் நெக்ஸ்ட்டில். தத்வத் అని నెక్స్ట్ శ్లోక విల్ రీడ్ 457. సిమిలర్లీ ఇత్యర్థः. నెక్స్ట్ శ్లోక సేస్ తద్వత్ పరే బ్రహ్మణి వర్తమానః సదాత్మనా తిష్ఠతి నాన్యదీక్షతే స్మృతిర్యథా స్వప్న విలోకితార్థే తథావిదః ప్రాశనమోచనాదౌ So samarthaha means visa in establishing or proving the unreal objects of the dream and eppadi sonnamo. He is not interested in establishing their or proving their reality or existence. Similarly, tadvat. Similarly, in the same manner, pare brahmani vartamanaha सदात्मना तिष्ठति परे ब्रह्मणि वर्तमानः. सदात्मना means all the time atmana tishtati, the one who is remaining in atman, pare brahmani vartamanah. Vartamanah means the one who is reveling in. Vartamanah, abiding. In what? Pare brahmani, in supreme brahman, nirguna brahman. Brahmani means in brahman. What type of brahman? Saguna brahmama, nirguna brahmama. Pare brahmani and nirgunam brahman. Pare brahmani, on that nirgunam brahman, one who is abiding. Vartamanaha means remaining in that brahmani. அந்த பரம்பிரம்மா எங்கேயோ இருக்கா, இஸ் வெரி விபும் சர்வகதம் சுசூக்ஷ்மம் எத்தது அத்ரேஷ்யம் அக்ராஹ்யம் அகோத்திரம் அவரணம் அச்சக்ஷுஸ்ரோத்திரம். ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்க பிரம்மன் என்ன. அரே அப்படி இல்லப்பா, சதாத்மனா ஆல் த டைம் ஆஸ் ஒன் செல்ஃப். தட் பரபிரம்மா இஸ் நன் அதர் தேன் சதாத்மா. ஐ ஆம் ஆஸ் மை செல்ஃப். அதுதான் இம்பார்ட்டண்ட். அங்கெங்கோ பிரம்ம சுத்த புத்த முக்த, இதில் நமக்கு என்ன பிரயோஜனம்? நம்ம துக்கம் போகாதே. அந்த நிர்குணம் சுத்த புத்த முக்த ஸ்வரூபன் பிரம்ம நான் தான் சொல்லணும். அதுதான் சதாத்மனான். இதுதான் மகா வாக்கியம். தத்து துவமசி சதாத்மனா திஷ்டதி, த ஒன் ஹூ ரிமைன்ஸ். ந அன்யத் ஈக்ஷதே, ஹி வில் நாட் see anything other than this Brahman. Na anyat means other than this Brahman. நான் ஒன்று இங்கே ஜீவாத்மா இருக்கேன், அங்கே ஒரு பிரம்மன் இருக்கார், ஈஸ்வரன் அங்கே இருக்கார், நான் இங்கே இருக்கேன். ஐ ஆம் தாசா, ஐ ஆம் டிவோட்டி ஆஃப் த லார்ட், பகவான் இஸ் தேர். அந்யத், திஸ் இஸ் கால்ட் அந்ய ஈக்ஷணம். எப்போ வருவாரோ எப்போ வருவாரோன்னு காத்துட்டே இருக்கணும். எப்போ வரவரது என்ன சொல்ல, இங்கே தான் இருக்கார், இங்கே என்ன நான் தான். அதான் நான் யாருன்னா உட்கார்ந்தா இவ்வளோ படிக்கணும். நான் யாருன்னு புரிஞ்சுக்கிறதுக்கு இவ்வளோ படிக்கணும். சும்மா மெடிடேஷனை உட்கார்ந்தா நான் யாருன்னா ஐ ஆம் ஸ்தூல சரீரம் சூக்ஷ்ம சரீரம் 70 kgs 80 kgs இதுதான் வரும். அந்த நான் யார், who am I is not so easy by reading books, sitting meditation. Like this Vivek Chudamani books, he had to read many books, Upanishad, Gita, படிச்சு அதான் இது நான் யாருங்கிறது புரியும். அதுதான் பரே பிரம்மணி சதாத்மனா திஷ்டதி ந அந்யத் ஈக்ஷதே. He will not see anything other than Brahman. புரஸ்தாத் தட்சிணதா வாமதா அதஹா ஊர்துவம் எவ்ரிதிங் இஸ் பிரம்மன். ஆனாலும் பட்டு அந்த பட்டு இருந்தே இருக்கும், கொஞ்சம் குறை. ஸோ சிமிலர்லி திஸ் இஸ் த ஃபஸ்ட் 2 lines. ப்ரீவியஸ் ஃபஸ்ட் 2 lines இந்த ஃபஸ்ட் 2 lines. He never see that reality in those unreal objects. Similarly, this Brahman, Jnani, will never see anything other than Brahman. And the rendu line tally aayiduthu. Ipa second, third line, fourth line of previous shloka, here third and fourth line of this shloka we have to tally. What is that? Suppose he sees. Ange he sees reality in the unreal objects and innu is sleeping and ardhan chonnavillio. Adhe madri inge smrutihi yatha swapna vilokitarthe. Suppose he is having the smruti, remembrance of those objects, yatha swapna vilokitarthe, just as the dream objects this person is seeing in the dream, adi madri ivanukku kuda in the palasu vasana, deha vasana, putra vasana, griha vasana, karu vasana, vasana enna artham, attachment. Mindness, ennudeyadu enna abhimanam irundal, smrutihi yatha, follow up, idu the rapo, follow, anusandhanam annamata. Smriti yatha swapna vilokitarthe smritihi tatha vidaha prashana mochanadau. Tatha means in the same manner. Prashana means eating. Mochana means evacuating. Represent all activities. All activities are like swapnam madri da ivariki. See, we should not extend the dream example to the darshtanta. Once you wake up from the dream world, dream is totally unreal, you won't experience. But once you wake up from ignorance to knowledge, அப்போ இந்த வேர்ல்டு அப்பியர்ஸா போயிடுமா இருக்குமா? இருக்கும். ஸ்வப்னம் ஃபுல்லா போயிடும். பட் whereas after knowledge, world is as it is, your husband is as it is, wife is as it is, house is as it is, all objects, positions are as it is. They will not go like a dream. It is unlike a dream. In the jnanam, once the that person woken up, the dream totally gone. No dream experience. Whereas I have woken up from my ignorance, slumber, I got the knowledge, the world experience will exist or not? Exist. Even though I know there is no sunrise, am I seeing the sunrise or not? I am experiencing the sunrise. But I know there is no sunrise. That is unreal, I know. Similarly, this jnani, mochana prashana means in these activities, he looks at them as a swapnam. புரியுறதா? அந்த ரெண்டு லைனுக்கு, லாஸ்ட் ரெண்டு லைனுக்கு இங்கே வந்து எக்ஸ்டெண்ட் பண்ணக்கூடாது. டேலி பண்ணணும்னு சொன்னா டேலி பண்ணாதீங்க. டேலின்னா இப்படி பார்த்துக்கணும். இந்த ட்ரீமுக்கு வந்து டோட்டல் நெகேஷன். இஃப் ஹி இஸ் சீயிங் த ட்ரீம் மீன்ஸ் ஹி இஸ் இன் ஸ்லீப். பட் இவரோ ஞானம் வந்ததுக்கப்புறம் ஸ்டில் ஹி இஸ் ஈட்டிங். சப்போஸ் அப்போ என்ன சொல்கிறோம், இவருக்கு ஞானம் வரல பிகாஸ் ஹி இஸ் ஈட்டிங்னு சொல்லலாமா? He is doing all activities, going to bathroom, taking bath, all emotion, everything he is having. That's mochana on evacuation. That is why many people think jnana means சாப்பிடக்கூடாது, பேசக்கூடாது. And some people think ஞானி என்ன இந்த வஸ்திரம் எல்லாம் எதுக்கு அவருக்கு? ஞானி என்ன துணி கூட போட்டுக்க கூடாதா? That's why people walk without dress. Tagarar. See, he is woken up only, but he is not in nidra. In spite of doing basic activities, eating, drinking, sleeping, evacuation, all other activities in doing, that means what? World will exist as it is, but the reality he sucks out. He sucked the reality of the world and just do the activities. Never get confusion. ஞானி அண்ணா எப்படியோ தனியா இருப்பான், அவங்க இதெல்லாம் சாப்பிட்றவங்களெல்லாம் எப்படி ஞானி அண்ணா இப்படின்னா ஞானி எல்லாம் பட்னி இருக்கணும் சாப்பிடாமலே. அதெல்லாம் கன்ஃபியூஷன் வரும்னு சொல்லி சங்கராச்சாரியா இஸ் ரைட்டிங் திஸ் ஸ்லோகா. புரியுறதா? அதுதான் ததா விதஹ பிராசன மோச்சனாதௌ. Next shloka. Okay, time up. Okay. So this is the meaning. If you are ahankara pradhana, means world is real. If you are a sakshi pradhana, world is unreal. Once you get jnanam, you are a sakshi pradhana. You look at the world. Husband adane theriyum. Daughter, it appears like a daughter only. After jnanam also. Aham brahmasmi jnanathikku appuram daughter looks differently. Son looks differently anna. Thank God. Kannukku edavadhu problem vandha different ah theriyume thavara jnanam vandha onnu theriyadu. They are as it is. So jnanam vanna internal intellectual transformation, not external transformation. Never expect something, something to happen. ஞானம் வந்ததா இல்லையா கிள்ளி பார்க்காதுங்க. இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் பெயின் இருக்கே, ஞானி என்ன பெயின் இருக்கக்கூடாது இல்லையோ? ஹி இஸ் ஃப்ரீ ஃப்ரம் பெயின். கிள்ளி பார்க்கணும்னா பெயின் இருக்கிறவருக்கு நான் ஞானி இல்லைன்னா பீப்புள் மேட். அது ஒரு பைத்தியம். Okay, next, more in the next class. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om.